In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process of downloading and installing Krita on your Windows 10 computer. Krita is a professional-grade digital painting application that's completely free to use, making it perfect for artists, designers, and anyone interested in digital art creation. To begin, you'll need to access Krita's official website. Launch your preferred web browser. Any browser will work just fine for this process. In the address bar, type krita.org and press enter. This takes you directly to Krita's official homepage, which is the safest and most reliable source for downloading the software. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a prominent download button near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that button. The website will automatically detect that you're using Windows and present you with the appropriate version. You'll see several download options displayed on screen. Since we're installing this on Windows 10, select Windows Installer option by clicking on it. The installation file will now begin downloading to your computer. The file size is approximately 150 to 200 megabytes, so the download time will depend on your internet connection speed. Once the download finishes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Then, double-click the Krita installer file to launch the setup wizard. The installation wizard will open with a language selection screen. English should already be selected by default, so just click OK to continue. You'll see the Krita welcome screen with installation information. So, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll see the license agreement. Take a moment to review it if you'd like, then click Next after accepting the terms. The installer will now ask you to choose an installation location. The default location is usually fine for most users, so you can simply click Next without making any changes. On the component screen, leave the default selections checked, both Krita and Shell integration. Then, click Next. You'll now see a license agreement for the Krita Shell extension. Review it if you'd like, then click I agree to continue. The next screen asks you to choose a Start menu folder for Krita shortcuts. The default folder Krita is already selected and works perfectly fine. Simply click Next to proceed. Now you'll see the desktop shortcut option. Check the box to create a desktop icon for easy access, then click Install. The installation takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Once the installation finishes, you'll notice the Krita shortcut icon has been automatically added to your desktop. To close the setup wizard, click Next to proceed, then click Finish to complete the process. To launch Krita, simply right-click and open from Desktop Shortcut icon. The first time you open Krita, it may take a few seconds longer than usual as it sets up your workspace preferences. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Krita on your Windows 10 computer, and as you can see, it's functioning perfectly and ready for your creative projects. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting Krita set up on your system. If you found this guide useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more software tutorials. Thank you for watching.